Hi, this video covers the creation of customers from multiple modules depending on the business process. So the first method is creating customer creation from the CRM opportunity. So when we while we are creating an opportunity or a lead, we have an option to choose the contact. Okay, either existing customer, or when we type like the company name or the contact person name, we can either directly create the contact with only the name, or we can create with all the details that we already have. So if I click on create, it will create a company with the name, my company, just the name, only the name. But when I click on create and edit, it will open a wizard or a section or a form to update all the details based on this company. We can add the street, the city, the state, all those details, the website, any tags, we can update that. And it's in the TRM section we can update the tags, and below that we have this contact section. Here we can add any contact person name, like if there is a person that we have contacted, we can add his name, his email ID, his number. These are not mandatory, only the name is mandatory. Okay, we can add that. We can like that we can add multiple contact person, maybe different sales head, purchase manager, like that. Maybe we have different contact person for that company. We can add that. We can specify the job title or job position, and also we can add an invoice address for that. Okay, we can add an invoice address, even that invoice address have a specific contact person. We can add that. There is a delivery address, we can provide delivery address. All we need to do is add the name, the delivery address, and click on save. So it will automatically update inside this company profile. And when I click on save, that company details have been created and it will be auto-populated to the opportunity. So we can either click on add or edit to create the opportunity. So this is one method to create a customer, that is from while creating an opportunity. And from the lead, we can do the same. When we click on new, we have this option to select or create a contact, so we can update from there itself. The next section is from creating customer while preparing a quotation. So in the sales module, when we are creating a quotation, here also we can do the same by either selecting the company name, or we can type the company, A, and same like what we have did in the CRM section, we can create with just the company name, or click on create and edit and fill all the details. Okay, the next section is creating a customer directly from the customer menu. So there are three areas where we can create a customer. Either the first one is from the contacts. Here it will show all the contacts, the customer, the employee contact, all those sections we can show. It will be shown here, and click on new. Here same like what we have seen in the CRM section, we can provide the company name. If there is a parent company, we can add that, email, phone, street, state, tax, all those sections that I have already explained in the previous section. We can add contact, all those. Okay, that is that was one. And the next customer section is from the CRM. If you go to the CRM, under the sales there is a customer menu. Here it will show all the customers. Okay, and we can create new customer same like from the contact menu. And next is from the sales customer menu. So for that we will go to the sales menu, and under the orders there is a customer section. From here also we can create the customers. Okay, all the customers that we have created from all the sections, either from this while creating a lead or a quotation, or directly from the contact menu, or from the customer menu from CRM or sales, will all be populated as a single master data section. Wherever we created, we can use those contacts inside the CRM, the quotation, and all those invoices everywhere. Okay, so thank you.